Glow Recipe is a very aesthetically pleasing brand. I absolutely love the brand, especially their branding. It looks so beautiful, it draws you in. You really want to be a part of that brand. You really want to use their product. However, their products aren't the cheapest. Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Wow, what a mouthful. This moisturizer is one of their most popular products. It has watermelon, hyaluronic acids, and antioxidants, and it claims to be for oily to combo skin. Just look at this packaging. Don't you absolutely love it? Like, it's so cute, you know? So it says that for oily to combo skin, it can pass as a moisturizer. However, for dry skin, use it as a serum, because definitely this won't be hydrating enough for dry skin. Just look, first glance, can't you see? It is so cute, it's so pretty. No, look at, is this thing not fine? See how cute it is. I mean, this glass is like, I don't know, it's so beautiful. I don't even feel like opening it. I just want to keep it somewhere and just be admiring it. Oh, what says he? You know? And that's what is inside this big pali like this. Nothing else is inside, but the inside is even really cute. It has like watermelon pictures inside. This is the 60 milliliter. It costs 50 Canadian dollars. I bought this in the US, by the way. It costs 50 Canadian dollars, and they have another size, a smaller size that is 25 milliliter, and that costs $28. I was casually scrolling through Miniso a few months ago, and I came across this. This is the watermelon Bouncy Hydra lotion, and I got this from Miniso. Immediately I saw it, it gave me Glow Recipe watermelon vibes. Like, this particular product, it gave me this vibe, and I was like, and I got curious, like, why does this thing look like this? This is 4.5 O's, and this is 2.03 O's, and this is 4. If you don't understand O's, this is 120 milliliter, and this is 60 milliliter. So this is twice. This contains twice the products that you will get in the Glow Recipe Pink Moisturizer. That is one. 2, it says it's a weightless texture formulated with moisturizing ingredients to relieve dryness and roughness, which is the same thing the Glow Recipe one does. However, I discovered something interesting in the ingredient list of this one. It contains menthol, which means that when you apply it on your skin, you know, when you apply rub or something that has menthol in it, the way it tingles a bit on your skin, this tingles a bit, but it's not overpowering. At least for me, I don't know about other people, but it's not. Now, this is what the actual product looks like. It contains twice these products in the Glow Recipe one. The Glow Recipe one is half. What you find here is half of what you will find here. And look, packaging, it's way simpler than that of the Glow Recipe Pink Moisturizer. It is not as aesthetically pleasing. It is cute too, you know, but I mean, you can't compare the cuteness to this one. Now, this has twice the amount of products that you will get in this. That means if this lasts you, for example, if this lasts you for a month, this will last you for 2 months, at least, hopefully. Now, let's talk texture. Let's see the texture of both of them. Because this is new, and I've opened this already, so I want to finish this up before I open this. However, I have a sample that I'm going to use to show you, you know, the difference. First off, let's see. Can you see? It's literally a dupe. Look at the... See, even to the mouth, the dispenser, even to the dispenser. I don't know. Did Miniso copy these people? Did they copy Glow Recipe? I don't know. But look at the dispenser. It's almost the same thing. Only that this is like pink and this is white. First, before I show it to you. So I'm going to apply the Glow Recipe one on the right side, and I will apply the other one on the left so you can see. So this is the Glow Recipe one. you can see that it is very, very light. It's like applying water, to be honest, just water with a little bit of slip to it. So really, I would use this as a serum. I wouldn't use this as a moisturizer, except you live in a place that is hot like Nigeria. This might pass for a moisturizer. But if you live in a place like Canada or more, this one cannot pass as a moisturizer, or except maybe if you have oily skin. So yeah, that's it. It even feels like it's serum after application. It has a slight watermelon scent. I love. I like that. Now look at it. This is how it looks like on my hands. See, it has a bit of slip to it. It's not sticky, but it has a bit of slip to it, and it dries clear. It doesn't dry matte. It has like a bit of sheen, but it dries clear. Now look at it. Can you see? This is just one pump, and I didn't even pull it down, so this is not like the full pump. Now look at it. This is way thicker than the Glow Recipe one. That means this can pass for a moisturizer. Even if you have like normal to dry skin, this can actually pass as a moisturizer, but the Glow Recipe one can't pass as a moisturizer if you have normal to dry skin. If you have oily skin, that will. So look at it. See, it's way thicker than the Glow Recipe moisturizer, and when you can smell the menthol. In fact, I don't smell any watermelon. I don't smell the watermelon. What I smell is menthol. Not too bad, not overpowering, but you can definitely smell. You can't even skip it. You can't skip it. You can. So upon application, I've used it a couple of times now. In fact, so many times. So I'm used to it now. I don't feel any tingling, but the first time I tried it, I did feel, you know, when you apply menthol on your skin, you like rub on your skin, it tingled a bit. Not tingling as in the way it tingles when you use mandelic or glycolic acid, not that kind of tingle. The kind of tingle you feel when you use menthol, something that has menthol on your skin. Can you tell the difference? Just by looking at my skin, can you tell the difference? I'm trying to get a mirror. It might actually really be a dupe depending on your skin type. If you have oily skin, you can get both, but if you have oily skin, the Glow Recipe is much lighter, very light, and will work great if you live in a hot place. If you have oily skin but you live in a place like Canada, this might pass for a moisturizer for you. It's not so thick. It's thick, but it's not that bad compared to like the average moisturizers for normal to dry skin. If you have dry skin, the Glow Recipe one will pass as a serum. It will not pass as a moisturizer for you. It will pass as a serum, but this will pass as a moisturizer, as in more than. It might still not be enough, but it moisturizes deeper or more than the Glow Recipe one. The Glow Recipe one is way lighter. Now let's talk prices. I mentioned earlier that the Glow Recipe 60 milliliter, which is this one I got, goes for 50 Canadian dollars. This is where the shocker price of this one cost $9 Australian dollars. 9 Australian dollars, which is $6.46 US dollars. This costs $6 US dollars or 46. Let's just round it up. $7 US dollars. This costs $7 US dollars. If you change it to Canadian dollars, it's probably about the same $9 or $8. But even at that, even let's say it's $10, because it's actually 9.9 Australian dollars. So let's assume that this is even $10. Compared to $50, this is way more. You get way more product. Twice what is here is what is here, and the money you used to buy this, you can buy 4 or 5 of this. So really, except the menthol, I feel like the menthol in this might be the only thing that might put a lot of people off. However, if you just look past that, you are better off probably buying this, because this will save you a whole lot of coins. If you are more for the aesthetic, you just want it to look cute, you want to smell nice, blah blah blah, then jump on this. So I hope that has been helpful. I hope it has helped you save some coins. You know, go to your nearest Miniso and go look for this. I'm hoping you can find it. I hope it's not sold out yet, but I got this about 2 or 3 months ago, so I don't know if it's still available or sold out. But just know that somewhere out there is a dupe for the popular Glow Recipe Pink Moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.